Hello students, standard 10. Now we completed the causes of the Second World War. All that is completed in the previous video. Now you will do that how the Second World War came to an end. Fall of Japan. You see, fall of Japan. But here, see, Italy, Germany, they all were controlled. Now what America did, America had to control Japan's aggressive policy. So what was done to end the Second World War? Japan was sent an ultimatum by America or the Allies countries. We will remember this as the Allies countries. Okay, Japan was sent an ultimatum. Ultimatum was you surrender or be ready for the destruction. Remember what I said, you surrender or be ready for the destruction. Japan did not pay any heed. What happened? Afterwards, the Allies country dropped atom bombs on two important cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. After the dropping of these two atom bombs, Japan collapsed and the Second World War came to an end. So how the Second World War came to an end? When an ultimatum was sent by an allies to the Japan to surrender or to be ready for destruction, Japan did not pay any heed, and then you see that the two atom bombs from the side of allies were dropped on the two important cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and this was the end of Japan and end of Second World War. So Second World War came to an end. Now we will do results of the Second World War. Now just now I said how the Second World War came to an end. Now we will do the results of Second World War. First, impact on the defeated countries. Which are the three defeated countries at that time? Rome, Berlin, Tokyo, Study. So which are the three defeated countries? Germany, Italy and Japan. So what happened to Germany after the Second World War? What was done to Germany after the Second World War? Germany was divided into two parts. East Germany was given under the control of Russia and West Germany was under the control of America, Britain and France. Germany was divided. Same way German capital was also divided. Germany was divided and German capital Berlin was also divided, where eastern part was given to Russia and western part was under the control of Britain, America, Britain and France. Okay, they were the winner countries. Then second, German army was reduced. Okay, German army was reduced and all her war materials were snatched. Okay, so that she will not be, Germany was put down so much that she should not again rise up and be a cause for another war. Okay, so again blame was on Germany. Germany was divided on two parts. German capital was divided into two parts. German army was reduced. All her war material was snatched. And then the Allies, they tried to end the war. How they tried to end the war? By criminals and the stalwarts of Nazi party were executed, killed. Executed means killed. Who were killed? The criminals were killed. Stalwarts, supporter of Nazi party, all they were executed. So like this, Germany was divided. Germany was punished after the Second World War. Next we have what happened to Japan. Italy also same thing happened. Italy military was reduced. Then all the supporter of the Nazi party were killed. That happened with Italy also. Now what happened to Japan? Okay, America did not like Japan. You know very well, because Japan made America to join the Second World War by attacking on Pearl Harbor, naval fleet. Now here you see what happened to Japan. The Japanese emperor was deprived of all his powers. All the power of Japanese emperor was taken. And control of Japan was given to American General MacArthur, who established complete control over Japan. Next, you have to remember American General MacArthur was given the complete power, and what he did, he established limited monarchy. Then monarchy, and then military was reduced. So like this, Japan was punished. So this was an effect on Japan. So here you have to be very careful that what happened, what was the effect on Japan, then you will be writing this answer. Okay, how the Second World War came to end, then you will write fall of Japan. Okay, fall of Japan, bombing on the two important cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So here in today's class, you studied Japan was sent an ultimatum. Okay, and her army Japan was sent an ultimatum to surrender or to be ready for destruction. Japan did not pay any heed, and her two important cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, were bombarded. Okay, two atom bombs were dropped on the two important cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This fall of Japan. Next, you have what happened. What was the impact of war on Germany? Germany was divided. German capital was divided. German army was reduced. War material was snatched. All the Allies tried the war criminals and stalwarts of the Nazi were executed. Then what happened? What was the effect of Second World War on Japan? Japanese army, emperor was deprived of his power. American General MacArthur was given a complete control of Japan. He established limited monarchy, and their military power was reduced. So this is only few results which is explained to you. In next video, I will explain you the other result of the Second World War. So please learn this. This all results comes as a 3 to 4 mark question. Okay, don't learn in a short form as it is mentioned in points. Learn like that only. Thank you.